Mastering Mallets, the ultimate guide to the top 3 rubber mallets. In every toolbox, a rubber mallet is a must-have. Today we're exploring the top 3 rubber mallets that will elevate your DIY or professional projects to new heights. First up is the DFH12 rubber mallet. With a 12 ounces double-face hammer featuring soft and hard tips, you have the flexibility to tackle any project without damaging your surfaces. Coupled with a durable hickory wood handle, this mallet ensures a firm grip and long-lasting performance. But what makes the DFH12 rubber mallet stand out? Its unique design ensures a balanced swing, reducing strain on your wrist. It's perfect for those meticulous jobs where precision takes precedence over power. Next on our list is the Deadhead rubber mallet. This 12 ounces no-mar hammer boasts a bounce-resistant head, reducing recoil and enhancing control. Its sturdy hickory wood handle ensures high impact resistance, making your work more efficient. The Deadhead rubber mallet's key selling point is its bounce-resistant head. Not only does this feature enhance control, but it also drastically reduces the risk of accidental damage or injury, a crucial factor for any toolkit. The final product on our list is a combo with 2 PC's hammer set, 16 ounces rubber mallet, and 40 double-faced soft mallet. The rubber hammerhead is made of double-sided solid rubber. The hammer handle is made of external black TRP thermoplastic rubber sheath and red PP material, sturdy and durable with anti-corrosion. Remember, choosing the right mallet is not just about the brand or price. It's about understanding your needs, the nature of your projects, and how a specific mallet can meet those requirements. So join us in our journey into the world of mallets, ensuring you have the best tools to conquer your projects with confidence. Thanks for watching. We hope our video leads you to your ideal rubber mallet, empowering you to work smarter, not harder. Make sure to leave a comment with your thoughts and experiences. Happy hammering!